Gabby. Alex, swim. Gabby, swim. Come on. Let's see who gets there first. Come on, Gabby. Keep swimming. Go to daddy. Go to daddy. Where you going? Go to daddy. What? Come on, Jasmine. You swim. Go where daddy is, Gabby. Wait. Let Gabby go over there. Gabby, go where daddy is. She's getting tired. Look at her legs. Look. Come on, jump in.
Hi.
Jasmine is a fish. Jasmine, you're a fish. Come on, go on the water. Woohoo!
I stepped on Daddy's toe. I can stand this far. I don't like that.
What, you gonna jump in again?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Jump in. Woohoo! Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl.
I swim so fast. Hey, watch me jump in. Yeah. Look.
Wait, I'm taking. She's tired.